using simple games to increase the joy of learning and the motivation and excitement of your student or children to participate in activities you plan for them. So let's subscribe. Put a comment below that you subscribed, and let's dive right in. Use this YouTube escape room game to entice your student to be motivated to learn or to be excited to participate in the activities we have planned for them. 2. You can customize the questions in the game according to your topic objective, right? And allow your students to be able to play the games excitedly while learning the concepts that you want them to learn. You can also make a copy of the original game and then customize it to your topic objectives and tasks that you would like the students to do, right? By clicking the link at the bottom as a game copy link. Alright, after you click on the escape game copy link, you'll be given a copy of it in your Google Drive. Therefore, you need a Google account. When you click on that particular copy, you'll be able to customize 4 tasks altogether, okay, to your own topic requirement. Okay. I've created a sample of it, so let's just take a look at them, and there are 4 different types of activities that you can include in the game itself. Okay, let's dive right. You click on the link. This is a link to the YouTube, alright, which is the same YouTube, which contains the same clues, alright, and then this is the link to the game that I've customized. Okay, I click on it. We'll go over to the game. It appears the same. Start. Okay, student need to start, and then through the YouTube, they find their first clue. Alright. Okay, the first clue. We go back to the game and look for the clue. This is the answer to the clue. Alright, you can actually embed the video in the task itself. Okay, yeah, so they can actually play directly in the task. The video. Okay, they go through the video that you want to watch. Okay, and learn the things that you want to learn. After they have finished watching, they click on the task. You can give them a question, an MCQ question for them to answer. Okay, or you can actually place a code within the task itself. Okay, yeah, or the video itself that they must find, okay, to answer this question correctly. Right. So let's say they click. If it's wrong answer, they can actually just click and go back and watch the video again. Yep, and then attempt the task again. Alright. So the answer for this particular one is 2. Okay, so once they get it, they get into the next clue. Right. To know what's clue 2, students have to go to the YouTube, alright, and just let it continue to play. Okay. If not, they can actually scroll forward until clue 2, and they read out the clue. Books gathered in hi-fi. Okay, and you can go to the game and look for books gathered in hi-fi. Yeah, got the answer. Okay, it's actually the books here. Alright. Okay, so you can embed other activities like Google Slides, where I have a sample here. Okay, in the customized slides. Okay, and for the game, you will be given a blank box. Alright, you just have to add on the links. Okay, click on this. You go to the activity. Alright, activity open up to its faster. Okay, this is a drag and drop activity. Yeah, in the future video, I will show you how to create such an activity. Where the box, you can actually allow boxes to be dragged to the places that holds the answer. Okay, but the student cannot move the background items that you do not wish to be dragged. Okay, yeah. So, and the other interesting thing about this activity is that all the slides are the same. Okay, each slide is actually to be done by a student. Okay, so there will be the number of slides that you have, the number of students in your class. okay, according to the number. They just follow the number that you assign to them. Okay, yep. And in that case, you will be able to see all the students work at the same time as they progress through the activity. Okay, yeah. In the next video, you'll be able to see that. Okay, so let's get back. Once they finish, they go back to the task. Okay, and then for this, they can straight away click the answers. Okay, the 4 options of MCQ. Okay, yeah, same thing. Once there's a wrong answer, okay, yeah, they will go back to the task. Okay, yeah, you can customize the answers. Okay, the answer is this particular box. Okay, now in Clue 3, go to the YouTube again. Okay, drag and move on to Clue 3. Okay, then you'll read the clue, the duck that leads to the sky, and go back to the game and look for the answer from the clue to the clue. Okay, essentially this. Alright, so I have embedded another type of activity just for sharing with you. Okay, this activity is the activity that is embedded inside Google Classroom. So you can actually create a link that can be added to the task. Okay, so this particular activity is here. Alright, so I have embedded a Google form type of question, another different type that you can use. Okay, so when the student click on the form, okay, yeah, they will be guided to this. Yeah, and they just have to answer. You can also have video and different questions. Alright, yeah. So I wanted to show you how you can actually add in codes, alright, that will be used as an answer, alright, in your task, so as to make sure that they finish the work. Again, let's say the only thing that's compulsory is name. Once they finish, they submit. Okay, and then they will see the code. You just have to tell them to look up for it. There you go. This will be the code after they have submitted. Alright, this type of code can be used especially when your task already have a lot of questions and you don't need them to answer that questions topic. Okay, so they use this code and just to make sure that they complete the task. Okay, and then they will answer the MCQ according to the code, which is 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the one. Okay, yeah, and answering the code correctly, they will be brought to the next clue. Okay, then go to the YouTube again and then continue playing. If not, they can actually pause again and move on to the next clue. Okay, the next clue is the 4-legged holds the weight, right? And we just have to 5, 4-legged here, 4-legged here, 4-legged here. That's the clue. Alright, and then there are 2 tasks that have been embedded here just to share different views. Okay, one, if you're Singaporean, Singapore teacher, you have SLS. You can actually have work or activities in SLS or learning points in SLS, and then by finding a link in the SLS assignment, you can actually embed the link here. And yeah, I'll also make other video on how to create SLS activities and the link. Okay, so if you click that, I'd like to show you similar codes that you can actually put into activities in SLS or any of the learning system that you use for your student. Okay, like this code TFF. Okay, this kind of code is actually something that can be related to the topics or the concepts. In this case, they are actually the abbreviation of the main theme or information in the concepts in the topics that I've been teaching. T, time, air, flow, and F for force. TFF. Alright. Okay, so with this code, you go. After finding the code, after finishing their task, they can come back here to the game and then answer the question that is related to the topic in this case. Alright, so TFF, they will remember the click. Okay, they'll go to the final clue. Alright, from here, same thing, they go to the YouTube. Alright, bring forward the YouTube to the final clue. And this final clue will lead them to the escape, the guardian of the exit. Okay, we go back to the game. Guardian of the exit is here, testing 1, the guardianship cat. Alright, congratulations, you have escaped. Okay, that will make them happy. You can give them any incentive you want, alright, from here. So thank you for watching. Alright, if you loved the video, please subscribe at the bottom and give your comment that you have subscribed. Okay, and give a thumbs up even better. Right, thank you very much. Thank you once again. Embedded here are more videos on other tips of how to use IT for learning and teaching. Alright, or other escape games or other games that you can try out. Alright, please click them and enjoy the learning, and I hope that you have learned or you have benefited from this video. Thank you. Have a great day.